All right, here is a test. Runtime test. Which one is gonna land the soonest? And that's the DJI Neo 2. What's left are the HoverAir Pro Max and the DJI Flip. It lands with 5% left and it's down already. We're recording it, so we'll have the actual runtime of these guys. Here is the setup of the runtime test. We are gonna launch the DJI Neo 2 first. We're gonna subtract the setup time, of course, for the other drones. 20 seconds for the Flip and 35 seconds for the HoverAir Pro Max. We're gonna speed this up too, so you don't have to wait over 20 minutes for the video, and we're gonna give you a nice little graphic comparing the three drones. So we are flying the drones in a hover mode or spotlight, whatever is available. So no movement, there's minimal wind, and just a wall behind it. And we will wait until these, there's no controllers, so we will wait until these drones put themselves down, and that's usually with about 5% battery left. You can fight it if you have a controller, but really for all intensive purposes, that's the end of the flight, especially for a self-flying drone. We are at 11 minutes. You see our timer there sped up for you guys on the lower right corner. The DJI Neo 2 claims 19 minutes, but DJI is notorious for exaggerating their flight times. So, hope you find this useful, real-world application runtime. So 13:47 is when this drone starts dropping gracefully. So not 19 minutes, but pretty respectable. And hard to say whether a hover is more efficient than flying around. I would say it's about a wash. Flying around has some aerodynamic qualities, but well, there is the HoverAir Pro Max. It drops out at 14:45. They claim 16 minutes, so they are actually closer to the actual runtime. And the champ is the Flip, which is still up. And here's a quick comparison. The price $225 for the Neo 2, $439 for the Flip, and $699 for the Pro Max. And the claim times are 19 minutes, 31 minutes, and 16 minutes. So the HoverAir Pro Max claims the best tracking and the best resolution, but we shall see on future videos. So there you go. Right around here, 21:55, the thing is descending and it's hitting the wall, so it just drops. So there you go. Hope you found that helpful. Thanks a ton.